On my last video now, me know it's all kind of over first me create TikTok international account, which is UK or US account, without using any VPN. And then me better steps I'll be this so after say we create page in every So on share video now, me the video no link beto me description with me akoko so akohwe. Ana who card our video no top boss or do direct to the video. End screen so at the end of this video boss wa do because video no so direct. I'm how to create TikTok international account. Over Ghana, over Africa country via with me creating TikTok betua woka. Enkoye se obekọ live na wakosresre ne ade no. Eno nyina this video is solution for you. And then me be kire say what create international account na UK die na qualify for monetization no. Me be kire on you say we this one. One, after creating this account no, my account no na ho for 3 good days. I won't post to hwe wo mu. Men post to men pre ho enko post to account no. And then the most important thing can say is we try with descriptions. We describe uma obi ahu ade a page no a wo dey be ye. So wo dey be create content, funny, entertainment, teachings, tutorials na wo dey be ye no. Dancing na wo dey be ye. Ni nyina so ubayo ho no wo try. And channel name and no material video no. But important thing na anyone so we say who creative and no post to video. Never do it. Leave it for 3 days. And so now I shall say I post to. Number 2. Men top followers. Per this criteria no here 10k followers. But Miss Row men to 10k followers no. Oko other platforms now you check how to buy followers. Bro, stay away from it. Just I have affect to monetization. Utogu so a TikTok 8 million sources no. And it ebe affect to. Because utogu so a that followers no mo hwe ema onya views. Omo me like ema onya likes ne nkosoro. And number 2, men top followers. And number 3, make sure say content now obe creating no. Obe add value. Obe add value. Eme use obi enyom find create content no because copyright be chill. And create your own content from scratch to avoid copyright issues. And then the last but not the least, reuse content. Men fancy with him say me person me grow me page in faster and see me go copy ebia now we page be that nti me ma me copy videos ni metum na ma me ko Facebook, Instagram, TikTok no enko for other people's videos among for more popular videos me say copyright but chill we go they will deal it unauthentic content unauthentic content no with me amana the monetization account or TikTok. And follow rules we now you see our international account na we be no. It's simple as ABCD. Say video ani je ho na o pese ye bi ma with me I leave comment our comment section o. And bibi wonti bibi ase our TikTok na o pese me kyerɛw enso with me leave comment our comment section ho. With me like it and I'll be so shama afofro ahwe na wa subscribe so am I how take pro gh all social media platforms of search take pro gh on sabe kan